Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Mac ID of PC. Open Command Prompt or Settings to begin, then choose Wired or Wireless Adapter steps that match your setup. I will walk through commands and graphical options, explain how to copy the address, and note where to look if you have multiple adapters. This will make finding and using the MAC ID quick and reliable for networking tasks. Open Command Prompt and type ipconfig/all to reveal detailed adapter information so you can find the MAC ID lines. Look for the physical address entry next to the adapter you need and copy it exactly, including any separators. If multiple adapters appear, identify which one is Ethernet or Wi-Fi by name. This method is fast and works on most Windows PCs without needing admin-only tools. Go to Settings, then Network and Internet, and choose the adapter to view its properties so you can find the MAC ID without using commands. Tap or click Details or Hardware to reveal the physical address entry, labeled clearly as the MAC. Use the available copy option or select the address manually to paste into your documentation or router settings. This approach is graphical and user-friendly for those.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.